Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Hey loves, I'm just back. I've taken long more than I expected. I thought I was going to work on just one tooth, but they have worked on 4. Guys, I like the services. The lady is so nice. Actually, I got that lady online here on YouTube. So I discovered her on YouTube, and then I tried going through her services, and then I looked for her. So they have worked on me. Well, she's good, and the prices are they're affordable, they're real affordable. Another thing, I wanted this, I don't like these teeth, I need a crown, so I wanted to measure it, but they had to shorten it, and then they eliminate some here, and it was going to look so funny, yet I wasn't ready for another cost because this has costed me a lot, a lot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be looking for money, and then I go back, she measures for the crown, and then after making it, I'll go back and then they insert it, because I have a cute smile, but I don't know what happened to this teeth. I really don't like it. I hate it, but it's mine. Yeah, it has been working for me, but it's time for it to go. So I'll be telling you when I'm going to work on it. But if you have any problem with your teeth, just can't work on them, because guys, I went thinking I had only 2, but they found 5, and guess what? It was deep, because she checked, and then she showed me. I was like, what is this? I was almost losing 3 of them, but I thank God I've worked on it and on them, and yeah, we are good to go. I'm still uncomfortable because there is cement inside, but I hope I'll get comfortable soon with it. So enough of ranting, I'm going to cook, but I think I'm going to end this vlog from here, and I'm going to start another one with cooking. I don't know whether I'm going to be filming it, but yeah, I'm tired, so let's see how it goes. So this is me after cooking. Poor me, I love spamming a lot. So every time I get a chance to find such a program, I have to watch it. But mostly I usually watch them on YouTube and all that, because I really love farming, especially good farming. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So this is day 4 of skincare. So today what am I going to do? Actually, it is night. I'm cooking. I'm just from town to work on my teeth. Wow, not scrub them, but they were damaged, like 5 of them. And then, just like I told you, I'm going to do a crown here, but it's still expensive, and I don't want a same permanent one. I want something good, so I'm putting a hold on that till I get the money, and then I get something that I want, something that I'll be proud of. But her services are very nice. So this is day 4 of skincare. I decided to take care of my skin because I had neglected it for like a while, because I've been stressed and I've been depressed. I had time, but I was so lazy and weak to take care of it, so it really broke out. Okay, out, and yeah, I wasn't loving it, so I'm trying to take care of it, and yeah, I'm seeing the progress. It's really there. So today is Wednesday, and I'm cooking as I take some tea. This is milk because I'm playing music actually here. So after, I'm going to be relaxing, and then I shower, I take care of my skin, and then I sleep. Tomorrow I'm expecting some visitors, I think one or two. Yeah, I have a friend of mine wants to come and see me. She's a YouTuber. Of course, if she does, I'll be showing you that. But yeah, that's what I have for today. See you.